equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad isn't working, let's see if we can help. First, gather your tools, a screwdriver set, a can of compressed air, and a soft cloth. Start by removing the back cover. You'll typically find a few screws holding it in place. Keep these screws safe, you'll need them later. Once the cover is off, inspect the internal components. Look for any signs of damage or dust buildup. Use the compressed air to clean out any debris. This can improve performance significantly. Next, check the connections. Ensure that all cables are securely attached. A loose connection can cause issues. If everything looks good, it's time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. No calls, no travel, just convenience. We'll provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. Remember, some issues may not be repairable, but we'll guide you through the process. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek help if needed. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.